I am so excited to share this with you. This is the place that my mother took me when I was growing up, also my little brother, and we learned about gardening, and it has bloomed into this beautiful, beautiful showcase of gardening that is available to do in the Southwest desert. Things that you would not expect to grow here just thrive and flourish with the right type of care. So my boys got to see this as well. I'm so excited to be back into Tucson for a little visit with my family, and I would love to share this with you. So we are at the Extension Garden Center, and let me show you some little tidbits of what we saw.
On the top, there are two flower pots glued together with very hard glue, and so the one flower pot is up above the ground, and a lot of times people paint them and decorate them, so they're pretty, they're decorative in the garden, and then you can fill up through the hole all the way,
right?
And so you have a bigger water supply in each one.
This was their sundial that they have here, and the kids had a great time hopping from rock to rock. You can contact them or go online to find out when tours are available. They're going on quite often. Definitely in the warmer months, bring your sunglasses, a hat, or if you're like me, a parasol.
They're more permanent than our foothills coloring. And I like the leafy needles. Yeah. But you see here, agaves do well in shade or partial shade. Lots of cacti that you think they do fine in full sun, but they also do just fine in partial shade as well.
Flowers.
In our yard, come over here.
Andrew, this is Mommy's favorite flower.
Gorgeous. Oh, we're just starting to get, there will be little purple clusters, little purple blooms here.
Pine cone cactus. Mammillaria. Andrew, what color is that tree?
Green.
Green, and what does that make it? Do you remember the name? Palo Verde.
We have a nice
Organize this one.
full of seeds. They're really good for
You put lime juice on it?
yeah. Slice them this way, so you have little slices. I should have brought it.
The barrel cactus always tastes like soap to me when I try to eat it.
Try lime juice on it.
Okay,
Little flowers.
I will. Yeah, look.
Look at all those seeds. And you clean the seeds out, or you eat the seeds?
Typically, you eat the seeds. They're good for you. Lots of nutrition.
Love it.
It tastes a little like a cucumber.
Oh,
A little. Anybody want to bite?
I do.
Okay.
Just very small.
Do you want to try some, Galahad?
Do
Do you want to try some? No, I'll try some.
Try some? Want to try some barrel cactus?
Your mommy had that at her wedding when she got married.
Yes, we collected the seeds and threw seeds instead of something else for my wedding.
Great!
Your mommy used to when she got married.
It was great until I had to clean them out of my dress.
Yeah. You were probably sprouting little baby barrel cacti.
That tastes a lot better than I remember.
Imagine it with some lime juice on it.
That'd be delicious.
Delicious. And, you know, it's one of those old wonder foods that's full of nutrition.
You can take a look at the seeds.
Really.
See, we have these
And it's, you know, it's a traditional food that is good for controlling diabetes. Better than insulin.
My kids used to use them as grenades and see how far they could throw them.
Oh, yeah. That would be yeah.
This was so exciting for me. I incorporated it into my pico de gallo that I make regularly, and it was fantastic.
Oh, no. It's just
careful you don't stick your hand in the bushes here. They have lots of thorns.
Oh, these are so beautiful. Just look at those roses. Wow.
It's so hard. It's always hard to get people to just walk through the rose garden. You can't do it. You have to stop and smell. This is a Lady Banks rose, which is also a tombstone rose. They're always yellow or white. And they grow fast.
Does the garden center here use things like rock dust and compost tea?
Oh, yeah, we do. Each garden has its own team, and they make their own decisions. But yeah, we do a lot of composting and compost tea in different areas. We do.
What is this over here? I've seen it out in the desert.
It's datura. It's also called Jimson. Jimson weed. It's a hallucinogenic.
That's what I remember.
It is a nightshade, yeah. But it's called sacred datura, and it used to be used in, religious ceremonies. But it's a little toxic.
I would imagine, being a hallucinogen.
Over here, we're just starting. We're getting our aquaponics setup going. We're not there yet. But
Mommy, I feel fire.
we're getting started. So we'll have fish in here, and the fish will fertilize the plants and put shade cloth over. And in southern Arizona, you in the hot season and the cool season. So this framework can accommodate frost cloth if we need it in the winter. Although we don't usually for edibles, and most importantly, shade cloth in the heat of the summer. As you can see, we use a lot of stock tanks for raised beds with holes drilled in the bottom for good drainage, a lot of heavily amended soil. And people often ask, doesn't the soil get hot? But really the metal reflects the sun and keeps the soil comfortable. We also have a keyhole garden here, which is a concept that is widely used in African countries. When the idea is you compost in the middle. You have a little compost area in the middle, and then grow around, and then you can stand in here and eat things. It looks like mostly onions right now.
It is bigger.
Is it bigger than you, Andrew? Check and see.
More beautiful. Cat's eye in bloom.
Wow, you're right. It's bigger than you are.
Back in here, they're adding this new escape garden. So there too, we gained more ground recently.
You're the master coordinator?
I'm the program coordinator.
And this is Eric. Okay, I'll hold your hand. Hey, Eric, why should people come here and take a look around? What would draw them?
Well, the Pima County Master Gardeners operate what we believe to be the largest Master Gardener run, owned and operated demonstration garden in the Southwest. This garden here is over 40,000 square feet. Has 14 different gardens within the facility here. Each one has a different mission, a different theme that kind of directs the garden and its particular mission. So we are open to the public during daylight hours, Monday through 7 days a week.
Well, I really enjoyed my tour here. It was fun to come back and relive where I was when I was a child. 'Cause
Yeah.
I learned how to do a lot of gardening here.
Yeah. Oh, did you really?
Yeah, with George Brookbank.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, yeah. He just recently passed away.
I heard. I'm
Yeah.
very sorry.
Yeah, we're actually celebrating our 35th year this year, and he started this program back in 1983.
Well, thank you for doing this for everyone.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, no problem.
Special thanks again to Eric and also for Terry for doing the wonderful tour that she did for us. I hope that you make time if you're ever in the Tucson area to come to the Extension Garden Center because it is so much more than I was even able to show you here.